welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we're going to be playing some No, we're actually not going to be playing some We're going to be playing the top rated game on Roblox, which is currently right now, hold on, it's just loading, Mad City. It has much more people playing it than Jailbreak right now. Like 20k or some more. So welcome to Mad City, where the choices is yours to choose the power of good or evil, cause chaos in the city streets as a criminal, and a supervillain, or just drive the superheroes and police forcer to bring justice. Did we actually put a gap there? No, we actually didn't put a gap there. Justice to the city with so many robberies that case never stops. It has 77,000 likes already, guys. Sorry about the stuffed up nose. I've been swimming. I go through it every Thursday on a Thursday. Okay, that was weird. And my eyes go red and I get stuffed up now. So yeah, sorry about that. But anyway, yeah, we're playing Mad City, top rated game, which means that Jailbreak now has a game to compete against, which means Jailbreak is going to be going lots of cool updates to try and get back to the top. And then this game, Mad City, is also going to be doing some cool updates. So then, yeah, they can stop doing it too. Okay, guys, so we're loaded in. Now, I'm just going to make done, guys. So, yeah, hold on. I'll have to do this video again, but anyway, please keep no idea when that shut off. By the way, guys, a few hackers in this, so setting over and instant killed materials, you will automatically craft. So basically, yeah. Hey, you're new. Oh, Jesus, I don't want to speak to you again. What's she doing? So, as you can see here, there's like reward, spawn vehicle. So, you can't spawn vehicles inside a prison, unfortunately. Oh yeah, I forgot that you have to hold it down. And I found this. Hey, I absolutely hate it when that happens. This guy thinks I'm Azimo. Hello. Jailbreak is a much better. Jailbreak is a much better game, thanks. You're saying yes, he actually is here. All I want to do is play the game and I'm getting harassed. And that was it. Yes. Why are you not playing my game? Not playing. Where do you go? Search crate. Boom. What did we get? This box is empty. Let's come right over here. Right, let's see what's in this crate. So what you have to do is you have to basically search. Oh, great. So what you have to do is you have to basically search crates. Right. So oh, what am I even saying anymore? Search crate. This you found spoon. This. Okay, so what you can do, this looks really much like Jailbreak. It looks a lot like Jailbreak. It looks a bit like Jailbreak and Prison Life, and a bit of Bloxburg all mixed together. And yeah, the reason it looks like Jailbreak is showmills, and it's got levels and all that, and you can punch through. Because of the gate, how you need a great superheroes are here, and Bloxburg, because there is actually a in Bloxburg, and there is, so that's why it's. We don't know. Actually, I kind of want to run when I've escaped. Is later. Ow! Oh no! Oh my gosh! Please, what am I? Go off. Oh, probably just not upload it. Oh. Easiest option, just join a new server, because literally I'm just getting camped. Oh my, please, flung around right now. Stop it, stop it. Stop, stop. Oh my god, now please stop. What's targeting me? Oh, gosh. Like, one more time, I am leaving. Please, please stop. Oh, Jesus. Right turn, go, 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 go. Go! Nino, Nino. Hopefully he does it. Why is this car glitching? Oh my gosh. Sake. This guy's just gonna... Why can't I just spawn a helicopter? Surprised if this video is a success. Oh my god. Or anything. To kill him with no weapons or anything. Right, go. Car's so flipping glitchy! Oh my gosh. Stop it. Go, drive! Stop flipping, oh my god! So I'll get to you when we are out. These guys are just so annoying. In fact, I'm probably just gonna block them. Why won't it let me in? Right, this... Right, stop it. You a hero? Yes, you are. Dang. Can I come on? Hack slot. Come on, please. Oh no. Bad. Bad. Bingo, bingo, bingo. From earlier. Okay, whatever, but this guy's just not. We're hacking these slot machines, and we're hacking. Heroes also rob. Superheroes meant to be superheroes, not robbers. Anyway, guys, we're robbing a new jailbreak. Okay, so why won't it let me down here? Do you need a key card or something? How get in? How get in? This is just new, so yeah, that's why. Why can't I get this off? How do we get in? Why is no one... Oh, say? Okay. Okay, guys, so there's a flipping bug in... Is that why there's no helicopter? Where's the car gone? Okay, whatever. Cars are there. Drive now or die. Okay, that's... These cars are so glitchy. Wait, what? I didn't know you could do... Oh, please. There. See? Bloxburg gas station. Right now, I'm just going to stab that cash. I don't know why it doesn't have a wall. There's no wall on it. Also, there will be that one. Oh, Jesus. Okay, go, 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 go. Let's draw. Wall. Yeah, it's glass wall. But it actually doesn't even... Fire hydrant. Nice rob. I'm just getting this car. I need the key to get in. Please don't the actual bank itself. So smash this, grab 200 cash. Wait, why does the casino give us 200? Okay. Or it should be like punch machine or something. Maybe Jailbreak should add this. Yeah, okay, done. 200, 400 cash. Going to here, stop robbing this place. Okay, so alarms have gone off. Look, I think it's two. Literally, I ever robbed them because I just robbed the bank up first. That was it. You can actually get more now. 3,000. Okay, so full bag. So we're gonna open this time. So, yeah. See when we're there. Criminal base. Going to exact head and be a superhero because being a cop is just boring. That was one of the top bounties too. Okay, no. Oh, wait. Can I fly? No. Wait, how do I... Yeah! So yeah, this is what that does. Boom, boom. I kind of want to be... How do we fly? How... Does it see? I know. Just jump, double jump, fly. How fly? Fly. Oh, I'm glad I'm not the only one that's... Oh my. How do you fly? How to fly. And it's double jump with equipment out. Oh yeah, that's how you PR, jump to act like a total jump. There we go. Okay guys, so okay, where are you? Where are you coming? Did you know, guys, I'm probably gonna have to end the video without actually doing anything. By the way, guys, 2nd of February on a Saturday. It's actually smoking on one volcano smoke. 2nd of February, there will be a live stream to YouTube, so I don't know what time, but yeah, just something like that. But yeah, be sure to tune in. I don't know what I'm doing. How long do I have left? Hold on, guys. Hold on. So let's see if we can arrest this person here. I'll probably go. Die! Robin, you even taking any damage? Oh my gosh, I'm getting angry. You can't escape me. Okay, maybe you can. Oh jeez, I'm getting GG. Okay, yeah. Let's get it. Let's get it. Come on, boy. Okay. Okay. I'm just now. So much for comment. Description below. Description below to this game. And yeah, live stream Saturday, probably at 12 o'clock. Okay, so another video on Liberty Guarantee where I did the video on. Bye.